Hey gang, welcome back to the shop. So check it out. I've got a level floor for the first time in what feels like months. My good friend Tom Jones from Philadelphia Concrete Doctor came in with his crew. They brought in tons and tons of crushed stone and just leveled this place on out. Now I've got a few steps to accomplish before we can get this pad poured, but we're making really good progress. So let's talk. So these three inline stubs, 1, 2, 3, are going to be floor drains. The one at the front of the shop is going to be a linear drain that's going to span 9 feet of that front section. Next, I had them put in a place for a footer, and we're potentially going to be making a really cool bachelor / crash pad for this shop. Now let me show you from the different perspective. Up here, there is a hayloft. It goes all the way to here, down that beam, and then across. You can see the hole for where the hay would be raised up. Now, I want to put a column in. Where's my finger? There it is. I want to put a column in that goes up, and I want to support a mezzanine platform, kind of where the base of those steps are, and create a little bachelor pad, a little kitchenette, and a place to sleep. There will be a bathroom in the back corner with a shower. So there's a possibility that I could live here potentially short term or crash out when I'm beat. I want to have roof access so that I can go and have a rooftop deck for entertaining. And of course have this giant space for the workshop of my dreams, place to park my truck, place to work on vehicles, and it's all coming together. Guys, thanks for checking out. Thanks for sticking with me in this time of change. And I will see you soon in a fully functional shop within the next, say, month and a half. See you guys.